In this video, I will show you how to use Bing's ChatGPT in any browser. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. If you have used Microsoft Bing's new ChatGPT AI interface, then you might have noticed that it is only available in Microsoft Edge. It doesn't work in Chrome or Firefox. And even if you try to use it in Chrome, then it will show you this notice where it says chat mode is only available when you have access to the new Bing. And at the bottom side, it will show you the option to launch Microsoft Edge. But you can change it with the help of an extension. There's this extension called Bing Chat for all browser. It allows you to use Bing's ChatGPT on Chrome and Firefox. So I have this Chrome browser here. So let's try using it. So go to this GitHub profile. The link you can find it in the description of this video. So follow the Chrome Web Store's link and then install this extension. Once this extension has been installed, you can launch it from this Chrome Extensions Manager. Click on this extensions icon and then launch the Bing Chat by clicking on this button, Open Bing Chat. It will take you to the Bing's homepage where it will load the chat interface. From here, you can now start asking it questions. It will take some time and will show you the AI generated response. You can keep asking it questions and it will keep generating the responses for you. And all of this is happening right inside the Chrome browser. But you have to keep one thing in mind, that after installing this extension, you must be signed in Microsoft Bing website with a valid Microsoft account that already have access to this Bing's ChatGPT. And in the same way, you can install the same extension on Firefox as well if you are a Firefox user. So go give it a try and let me know what you think about it in the comments. Also, feel free to explore other tech videos on the channel and don't forget to leave your comments and other questions on them.